So last year, I asked a friend of mine if he would show me the ropes on how to build an acoustic guitar. His name's Joe Mendel, and he's built about 150 acoustic guitars here in Chesterfield, Missouri. He welcomed me into his shop for about 3 months, and I went once a week. And he taught me a bunch of stuff. He went through an entire guitar with me, almost all of it. I didn't do the finish work with him, but well, all of the finish work. So anyway, I'm just here to say that I'm going to start my first acoustic guitar here soon. I'm going to start it in June, and I'm really excited about that. It's going to be made out of Chechen. It's this stuff right here. Really beautiful wood. That's the back, and here's the sides. It's going to be really cool. I'm really happy about that. I haven't decided what I'm going to make the neck out of yet and all that. Or the top's going to be Adirondack spruce, and that's about it. Really excited about that. I've built 4 electric guitars so far. My goal was to really build acoustic guitars, and I'm really excited about that. So stay tuned. I want to do that. It's going to be starting here in June, and I'm real excited about it. I'm going to go through video by video and document each one of them. Each little stage I do. I did get this side bender from Joe. He sold me his old side bender because he got a Stumac one, which is a lot better. And this is his little jig here that I copied. That's my copy sitting in it. I got to get that back to Joe. So anyway, and also go look at some of those videos. I went through the whole thing and videoed most of it. You can see that on my channel. And not only that, I want to also say thank you for subscribing. All of you that have subscribed to my channel. I just surpassed 1,000 subscribers, and I really thank you for that. Thank you for your support, all of you that have and are still with me. And I wanted to show you this. I got a ceramic play button, from my daughter, for my 1,000 subscribers. So most people don't have one of those, right? So anyway, thank you for watching, and stay tuned if you want to watch this and go through it with me. It'll be my first one. It won't be perfect, but there are no perfect guitars. Well, maybe there are, who knows, but thanks for watching. If you've not subscribed, please do. I appreciate the support. My watch hours, once I get my watch hours, I'll actually start getting paid for this. So please support my channel. I really appreciate it, and thanks for watching.